Welcome to the spoken tutorial on files in C. In this tutorial we will learn how to open a file, how to read data from a file, how to write data into a file. Few examples. To record this tutorial I am using Ubuntu operating system version 11.10, GCC compiler version 4.6.1. Let us start with the introduction to file. File is a collection of data. It can be a database, a program, a letter, or anything. We can create a file and access it using C. Now let us see an example on file handling in C. I have a return program. Let's take a look. Note that our file name is file.c. In this program, we will create a file and write data into it. Let me explain the code now. This is our header file. This is our main function. To define a file variable, we use the type file. The file variable is defined under the header stdio.h. $fp is a pointer to the file variable. It will store all the information about the file, like its name, status, and current information. Let us go back to our slides. Now we will see the syntax to open a file. Here, the fopen function opens a stream, then it links the file with the stream. File name is the name of the file that we want to open or create. We can give the path along with the file name, and we can also give the extension. Here we can give the mode of the file. Let us see the types of mode. W. Creates files for read and write. R. Opens file for reading. A. Writing at the end of the file. Now come back to our program. Here we create a sample.txt file in write mode. We can see that the path is given. Our file will be created on the desktop. Then we write the statement into the file. Welcome to the spoken tutorial, and this is an test example. fprintf writes output to the given output stream. fclose closes the file associated with the stream. And this is our return statement. Now click on save. Let us execute the program. Open the terminal window by pressing Ctrl, Alt and T keys simultaneously on your keyboard. To compile, type gcc space file.c space -f space file. Press enter. To execute, type /file. Press enter. We see the file is executed. Now we will check it out. Let us open the home folder. Click on the home folder option. Now click on the desktop option. Here is our sample.txt file. This shows that our file is successfully created. Now let us open. Double click on the file. We can see the messages here. Welcome to the spoken tutorial. This is an test example. This is how we create a file and write data into it. Now we will see how to read data from a file. I have already made the program. I will open it. In this program, we will read data from our sample.txt file and print the data on the console. Let me explain the code now. This is our header file. This is our main function. Here, a file variable and a pointer to the file variable is defined. Then we have declared a character variable C. Here we open the file sample.txt in read mode. The output is stored in fp. Then we check the condition if fp is equal to null. If the condition is true, then we print the message file doesn't exist. Else it will check for another condition while C is not equal to EOF. Here EOF is the end of file. It denotes the end of input. It is a condition where no more data can be read from a data source. If the condition is true, Then it will display the characters from sample.txt file on the console. Here, getC returns a character from a specified file or stream. Now it will return a character from our sample.txt file. PutChar is used to display a character on the console. Then it will store the characters in variable C. Here we close the file. And this is our return statement. Now click on Save. Let us execute the program. Come back to our terminal. To compile, type gcc space readfile.c space -o space read. Now press enter. To execute, type /read. The output is displayed as Welcome to the spoken tutorial. This is an test example. This brings us to the end of this tutorial. Come back to our slides. Let us summarize. In this tutorial we learned file handling, to write data into a file, example fp is equals to fopen sample.txt, w. To read data from a file, example fp is equals to fopen sample.txt, r. As an assignment, write a program to create a file test. Write your name and address in the file test, then display it on the console using C program. Watch the video available at the link shown below. It summarizes the spoken tutorial project. If you do not have good bandwidth, you can download and watch it. The Spoken Tutorial project team conducts workshops using spoken tutorials, gives certificates to those who pass an online test. For more details, please write to contact@spoken-tutorial.org. Spoken Tutorial project is a part of Talk to a Teacher project. It is supported by the National Mission on Education through ICT, MHRD, Government of India. More information on this mission is available at the link shown below. This is Ashwini Patil from